Hello guys, so today we are here to solve the problem from LeetCode, which is today's challenge, and we are going to solve it, and I'll show you that how to solve it. Though it's an easy problem, but if one is making logical flaw, if the reasoning is not perfect, there are some logical flaws in the reasoning, then we might not be, there could be some issues in the solution. So I'll demonstrate those problems. Okay, so first we'll start with the problem. So this problem asks, like, you are given an uh, these string arrays, and the thing is that you see ABC ABC here, and then ABC column wise. So ABC column wise is sorted. BCA is it's not sorted. CEE is sorted. Okay, so only one column is not sorted. So if we remove this column, all others are sorted. So you need to tell which one of the columns are not sorted. So it's easy, what we can reason out, that you need to go through the breadth of this these strings, and check, even if one pair of elements are out of order, we can count that as that this pair is, this column needs to be removed. So this is about it. We are not going to make it very, it's not very difficult. So just I'll do it. Okay. And then I need to have the length of the string. So it's better that I do it in one shot here itself. And then m is equal to, it's the breadth of the string. So how to figure it out? This is the way we are going to do it. Okay. And then we need to go through the breadth of this. Okay, so how to go to the breadth of this? So we need to start at 0, and then I should be less than m, and then we can increment I, and then for and j we will start with, j is the column index. So we'll start this with 1, and j is going to be less than n and plus plus. Yeah. Okay. So just we need to do this simple check. STRS of, j is the first thing, then share at this is the breadth. So if the element at this is lesser than element at j minus 1 in the j minus 1 row, share at, then what we are going to do? We are incrementing our count, and we need not go any further. We can directly break out of it, and then we just we can return this count value. We need not do anything else. I think we are done. So let me run this. Perfect. So I'm gonna submit it. It's all trial runs are successfully are accepted. So I'm gonna submit this. Perfect. Perfect. So see, this is beating 93.3% of all solutions, and this is this is a good solution, I would say. Now, one thing I wanted to demonstrate here, that there is one problem here. If one thinks of doing things like usually what we do, that we tend to put this column index in the outer loop. So if we do this, then we may be facing issues. So I can show it to you. Okay. So yeah. So now in this, what we are doing, we are going to the first row, not the 0th row. We are directly going to the first row, and then we are comparing the 0th element and the first row element. Okay. And then after it, we are going to the, second element. But, this is prone to error, you may not get correct answer. See, we are missing this case. So what is happening here in this, we are first comparing, W with Z. Okay. So that is, out of order. So we are breaking out of it. And then we are going to 2, J becomes 2. And, I becomes 0. So 2 and 0. So directly it's going to, the S and V. So this is not giving us correct pair, and that's why the results are coming. It's not what we intend to do. So please take care of your the appropriate order of looping. So appropriate loop indexes and with the appropriate order should be involved to get the correct answer. With that, I would like to end this screencast. Let me know if you have any doubt or any problem. Put it in the comments and I'll definitely respond back. Thank you. Thanks a lot.